Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTOO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where these green lines are coming from. But first thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of these lines. Sure, these levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. One of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level, when we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $2.80. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 280, I am not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, like I talked about in Wednesday's video, it's all about that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as things go on, so as Friday and then next week play out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 280 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? First key level is just simply where the party stopped today and the price struggled, and that was right up there around $3.20. So keep an eye on that. But in all actuality, resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price continues to build these higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, so as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations and chipping away and building those higher lows, and just sit back and let the overall trend continue to do what it's been doing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.